Hello everyone, we are the students of Universal Convent Senior Secondary School, and today we are here to present our art integrated project of mathematics whose topic is probability. For this project, I want to thank our subject teacher Mr. P.D. Palaria and our parents to support us and to help us to make this art integrated project so attractive. And here we begin with our project.
Hello everybody, so here this is Udita and I am going to give you a brief introduction of probability. So first of all, probability is defined as an extent to which an event is likely to occur. It is measured as favorable number of outcomes over total number of outcomes. Probability means possibility, and it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of any random event. Probability has been added to maths to predict how likely events are to happen. Probability of all the events of any sample space adds up to 1, and it is to be noted that probability of any event lies in between 0 to 1. Formula for probability is favorable number of outcomes over total number of outcomes. Now, types of probability. There are 3 kinds of probability: theoretical probability, experimental probability, and axiomatic probability. Theoretical probability is on the basis of the chances of something to happen, and experimental probability is on the basis of occurrences of an event, and axiomatic probability is based on axioms that are applicable to probability.